In this recipe, I'm going to be putting together my basic cauliflower rice recipe. It's super simple and easy, and it has amazing flavor. And it goes great with some of those richer roasted dishes, either vegetarian or with meat. For example, I love this rice with my slow-cooked short rib recipe. So let's go ahead and see how you make it. So to make my life easier, I'm using store-bought cauliflower rice, and the first thing we want to do is just mash it up and make sure all the big chunks are broken up into the individual pieces. This is going to help to prevent a lot of water from developing when we cook the cauliflower rice. Next thing to do is to heat up your wok up to medium-high heat, and I definitely recommend using a wok, and you'll see why as we go on with this video. I'm using olive oil here, depending on what you're pairing this with, though, butter is another great option. And then after we add in the olive oil, we want to add in some garlic, and I actually like using the dried garlic pieces for this. It helps to flavor the oil really quickly, and again, it's just really easy and convenient. It makes this dish come out in just a couple of minutes. Once your pan's nice and hot, add in the cauliflower. Make sure all the pieces are broken up if you didn't break them up previously, and then just start stir-frying it. And as you're stir-frying it, you may want to move the cauliflower off to the sides to let any water drain out should any water develop. And if for some reason, this happens to me sometimes, a lot of water develops, spread all of the cauliflower out to the side, let it cook for a little bit, and then scoop out that water into the sink or something to make sure that we've got a nice dry riced cauliflower to work with. And basically just stir it up and fry it up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Season it with salt, and there we go, a beautiful and delicious cauliflower rice ready to go. Hey, not bad.